I love to decorate my home, schoolroom, or office for the different seasons. And when autumn rolls around, one thing that I think makes it extra homey is a miniature fall-themed Christmas tree. We went ahead and fluffed out the branches off camera to make sure the tree looked nice and full. This year I wanted plain white lights for the backdrop of the tree. However, when I went to Dollar Tree, although they had a full shelf of multicolored lights, they only had one small box of white lights. And since I personally think that all trees, regardless of what season they are representing, benefit from some type of lighting, I made the executive decision to use that one box to light up the stand. Since I had some of the ribbon left that I purchased at Dollar Tree for the thankfulness jar craft, I decided to go ahead and use that on the stand. I felt that this simple addition really completed the final product. Now that the base is done, we get to decorate the tree itself. If any of you are like me, this part is very exciting because I love decorating trees, arranging the ornaments, and just enjoying the beautiful work of art. These little scarecrow hats were purchased from Hobby Lobby. Originally for my thankfulness jar, I just put the leftovers on my fall tree and they are adorable. The decorations that are in a bundle with pumpkins and fall leaves I purchased at Walmart for a very reasonable price. The individual pumpkins were also purchased at Walmart for under $1 each. I had a leftover package of leaves from the dollar store, so I just went ahead and added them to the tree. I do want to say a big thank you to my sister for coming to help today. I am allergic to tree branches, so I cannot fluff out the branches on my own. She always comes to help me fluff the branches and string the lights on all of my trees. The raffia bows were also purchased from Hobby Lobby for the same purpose. So as you can tell, I just went into my craft storage to find some fall items that I already had, and they made a great addition to this piece of decor. For a tree topper, I just decided on a fall bow. I got this out of my craft supplies. I'm pretty sure this is from Dollar Tree. However, I know it is either from Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby. If you were wondering, everything has stayed on the tree very well. I even moved this off of my porch and into my house, which is where it's currently sitting, right by my front door. I did choose to make this a piece of home decor this year. I think it is top to bottom fall cuteness. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan on putting up a fall themed tree. I would also really appreciate it if you would subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to be proud of your work, productive in your day, and positively joyful.